Renard GT carbon fiber motorcycle. Despite its aggressive dark build and $96,000 price weighing down hard on onlookers, the Renard GT's monocoque body only weighs 24 pounds. It's stiffer than a traditional frame, and obviously much lighter. On top of that, most of its aluminum parts are manufactured from solid billets, no casting involved, and the 1.2-liter quad-valve V-twin from Moto-Guzzi will drive this lightweight body fast. The Renard GT is manufactured in Estonia, of all places, and while that is sure to raise an eyebrow or two, this is no misplaced startup. Renard as a brand apparently precedes World War II, and is going through a revival of sorts. With production starting next year, get your $96,000 ready to help them get Renard out the gate.